HP Smart software to complete printer setup. Here's how to use HP Smart, or in many cases now, the newer HP app to complete the setup of your HP printer. I walk you through the typical steps and note common pitfalls if things don't go smoothly. What you need before starting: your printer fully unboxed, plugged in, turned on, and paper loaded. Inside tape/plastic packaging removed, ink or toner cartridges installed. A Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password, unless you'll use USB/Ethernet. A smartphone, tablet, or computer connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or a direct wired/USB connection for wired configuration. If you downloaded HP Smart, the latest version supported by your OS. Note that HP is replacing HP Smart with the newer HP app in many places. Steps to complete printer setup using HP Smart per GP app. Download and install the app. Go to 123hp.com. 1. Or your device's App Store, Windows Store, Mac App Store, iOS App Store, or Google Play to get the HP Smart per GP app. Open the app and begin setup. On the welcome screen, admit any permissions prompts, for example, location. Required on some mobile OSs to detect printers on your network. Select Set up a new printer or Add Printer Plus, depending on platform. Choose your printer and network. If the printer supports wireless setup, the app should detect it if both devices are on same Wi-Fi and printer is powered on. Select it. Enter your Wi-Fi password or let the app copy it if prompted. If the printer has a control panel, the app setup may ask you to confirm on the printer, for example, press checkmark or info button. Complete setup, sign in, register if needed. If you have an HP account, sign in. If not, you may need to create one, required for full functionality printing, scanning, cloud printing, future printer management. On some models, you may be offered to activate optional services, for example, cloud printing, subscription-based ink plans, printer registration. You can accept or skip depending on your preference. Test the connection. Once the app reports the printer is connected to Wi-Fi or properly installed, send a test print from the app or your OS to confirm setup is complete. What to do if setup fails or printer doesn't show up? Check network. Ensure both printer and computer/mobile are on the same Wi-Fi network. If on different subnets or behind VPN, the app may not detect the printer. Reinstall app. Sometimes uninstalling and reinstalling the HP Smart per GP app refreshes discovery and connection. Reset printer network settings, then attempt setup again. Helps if the printer was on a different network previously. Use USB or manual methods. If wireless setup refuses to cooperate, you can connect by USB or Ethernet if supported and let the HP app install drivers that way. Important note, HP Smart is being replaced by HP app. As of 2025, HP is transitioning away from the HP Smart app toward a unified HP app for printer device setup and management. If you haven't installed anything yet, it's best to download the latest HP app. It will still support the same printers. If you already have HP Smart and the app prompts for update, accept. Your printer configurations and settings should migrate smoothly, if you like. I can give you a printer setup checklist PDF for you to print/save on your phone. Helps especially if you're setting up for the first time. Do you want me to build that PDF checklist for you now?